Hi, Trida.
Hi, Samina.
Hi.
Very
So,
good.
welcome on E Times. Talking about ashram. How did ashram happen to you? And tell me something about your role in this web series.
I think this is one of the most grand web series that I've been a part of. Season one, you just see my character, which is Babita. The character is just seeded. You have to wait for season two, and it grows enormously. The whole story takes a very strange turn. Strange in a good way, I mean. And yeah, the project happened to me because I knew Prakash sir because he knew of my work pehle. So his assistant got in touch with me, and Shruti ma'am, she also thought I fit the part. So that's how it happened to me.
How different was the experience for you to work in a web series? Because I believe, web series get wrapped, are wrapped, as fast as compared to, a serial or say a film for that matter.
Not really, Samina. Actually, it can take longer because it
Okay.
depends on up kitne seasons shoot kar rahe hain, and maybe it's grander than film. Like because I mean, if I talk about Ashram, if you've seen the set, the aesthetics, the artwork done, it actually took us such a long time. एक scenes बहुत elaborate होते थे. So
Talking about your role, tell me something about your role, what you can, throw some highlights on the role.
I do play the character of a sex worker who basically gets a second chance in life. She gets a second chance in life, and she basically is in a space where she's very hurt with the constant way people have been looking at her because that's her profession. But then when in the ashram she gets the cushioning and a second chance of getting married to a good man, not just any random man. The guy treats her very well. So we basically see a very she's not like the usual person she probably was. She's left a past behind. She wants to start afresh. And there are women in the society who have a right to live like this. They do, like Babita, which is the character I play. So many women are exploited, and I think we have just explored that angle. Season one, see something very obnoxious happens to her because people think that, oh, because she's been a sex worker, she should be allowed to be raped or whatever, like a non-consensual kind of situation. So I think it speaks volumes about the kind of crime happening in our society, even till date. It's crazy.
Also, Trida, how was your experience of working with Bobby Deol in Ashram?
Very nervous, to be honest. Very nervous. When I heard that he's playing that, I was like, woo, I have to really up my game and be like, okay, my character has to be at par because I was kind of feeling intimidated. But on a serious note, it felt like a breeze as we started working together, not just with Bobby sir, with every cast member. It all depends who's the captain of the ship, which was Prakash sir in this case, and he like knit us really well together. So I felt much more relieved after finishing the shoot. Yeah.
Don't you think, Rida, that even in reality in India, the faith people have in such saints is too much that, exploitation takes place a lot and many people become a victim of, manipulation and, some people lose their lives and, of course, even get raped and all. What do you have to say on that?
I just have to say, it doesn't only happen to females, it can happen to male members as well.
Yeah.
These days, it's so important to be in a stable frame of mind. आप एक इंसान है. Whoever accepts you for who you are, okay, something positive, if somebody's bringing a change, it's all right. But mentally, if somebody's trying to debilitate you or attack you or get you down, that's the biggest form of exploitation that exists. Physical exploitation happens later. So in case, if I speak for women, like with the context of ashram, we see Pammi, which is played by Aditi, which is like even she's an innocent girl. So, eventually mind games start happening with her too. So the idea of what's happening in a society will never change till you stick out for it, till you stand up for it. And you're like, okay, fine, main aisi thi, but why should I be mistreated for that? Okay, I'm wearing a short skirt, but why should that be like that lead to something like somebody touching me or ending up in thing as bad as a rape or something?
Also, Trida, for you, how the journey has been so far, in the industry, working, doing so many projects and all. And then, of course, this web series. But throughout the journey, I'm sure you might be having your own hardships. And then again, if you're not coming from the industry, the struggle, of course, increases a lot. So what do you have to say on that?
So it all started with balancing my, because I'm a science student, it started with finishing my graduation and simultaneously shooting and everything because it's a huge pressure. I'm like this lab, like the person wearing all masks and everything and doing all my experiments. And like there's a contrast to who I am today. Like Manushi Chilla, right? She was a doctor and now she's Miss, world. So my point being that it's very tough that it started with that, breaking who I was to who I will be. That was the struggle. And second is explaining yourself to people who don't understand how the industry functions. So they think ऐसा अगर यहाँ पे हो रहा है तो आपके साथ भी शायद ऐसा हुआ होगा. I don't feel that way because by God's grace, I feel good about where I am today. And I've had supporters, I've had mentors, I've had good people around me. So that way I'm blessed, yeah.
Talking about your first scene when you shot, when you entered the industry, how was that experience for you? Were you very nervous?
It was a Bengali film. It did 100 days. It was a super hit film called Mishor Rahosyo. It had stellar cast like Proshenjit Chatterjee, the superstar in Bengal. It was with him. I knew nothing about camera, so बहुत डांट पड़ी थी मुझे. Like when I saw, I didn't know where the camera is, where the Jimmy Jip is, where I should look. I was a nervous cat, and I got demotivated. I would cry myself, to bed every night that I'm not good enough. This is not for me. This is not for me. Till probably those little mistakes, those little things led me to probably be a more confident person first, and then an actor.
Also, the language might also be difficult for you. Of course, you didn't know Bengali, so there might be someone of course, doing it for you. But did you ever try learning certain words while practicing for the role?
Are you talking about Bengali?
Yeah, when you did your first film, Bengali.
I'm a Bengali.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know that.
So that's okay. That's all right. Many people.
I thought because Tridhar Chaudhary, so I thought
think I'm Punjabi or something.
Yeah, because of the surname.
No, that's
then completely comfortable for you to
But I can say same question jo aapne pucha, I can give you it's difficult for me is Telugu. I've done Telugu and Tamil.
Is it difficult for you to talk in Hindi also for that matter? Are you comfortable otherwise? With Hindi you're fine.
Born in Kolkata. I live in Bombay. And since the 4th grade, I've been studying Hindi. That's why my Hindi achhi hai. On the contrary, my Bengali, not too proud to say, my mother tongue might be a little weaker than Hindi.
But the South Indian languages have been difficult for you, you're talking about Telugu for that matter.
Yeah. Though I have a lot of friends in Hyderabad and all who speak to me in Telugu. So Telugu is comparatively easier. And I'm from a Birla school. So in Birla school, we would have Sanskrit, which is compulsory to the 8th grade. So language, being an actor, kal mujhe agar Spanish film, if I get an offer. So of course, I would do my groundwork. I will not just say, I don't know the language, so I'll decline it. I have I really like to learn new stuff, good stuff. So I'll do it. Yeah.
Did you want to opt for acting as a career, or you had some other plans, before? Since you were aiming to be a doctor.
Then I can say I already am looking at being a serial entrepreneur. I have many ideas, many things, and I think being a part of the youth today, I would like to contribute in a big way. I have given some TED Talks and stuff like that because मेरे लिए बहुत important है कि I can communicate. It's a gift which I have probably accumulated over the years. My communication, talking to people, trying to understand who they are, where they are coming from. Diya Mirza is a huge inspiration for me. Madhuri Dixit and Diya Mirza, when I look at these two ladies, what space I'm getting at.
Also, Trida, would you, if you had to do any Bollywood film and off late, if you have seen the kind of films which have come, Beat Razi, Gully Boy, which film attracted your attention and you felt even a smaller role in that movie would have been, a great opportunity for you?
Oh my God, I think it's been a while since I've seen a Hindi film, so pardon me for that. But the truth be told, I did see Love Per Square Foot, right? Which is a very fresh, vibrant, take. And of course, I've worked with the same director, Anand Tiwari, so I know. So, these stories which are not that easily seen, but they are larger than life because you can relate to it. कि हाँ, अरे ऐसा तो होता है बॉम्बे में, दिल्ली में, कहीं भी हो सकता है किसी के साथ. Probably I would want to be a part of films like that.
And last question to you, after Ashram, what's next for you?
I'm doing a Hindi film for an OTT platform because honestly, work should not stop. And if it's a good script, why not? I'm doing that. There's a Bengali film. It's a very, very big project in Bengali. It's the biopic of a legendary actor. So I play Sharmila Tagore's character in that. Yeah. So that's a big change. You'll see me in a very different thing.
That would be quite surprising because we have never come across a role like that.
Yeah, I mean, playing somebody as poised, graceful, and yeah, I don't know how many adjectives I should use to define her beauty and her as an individual. It was kind of, I had to do my background, my homework on that. Yeah.
But shooting currently might be quite different an experience for you because, after the lockdown, the coronavirus and like the pandemic, taking a toll on, economy also. It might be quite different for you when you're actually going on the sets and all. Have you started going as of now? And what has the experience for you has been like? Because it's a new normal.
Yeah, so I think the new norms, yes, we're following. But the new norm है ये बहुत सालों से I've been following because I'm a microbiologist. That was my subject. So वहाँ पे the rubbing ethyl alcohol, wearing mask, gloves, and being neat and clean about things, being like keeping germs and things at bay is something I've experienced. When I see other people doing it, it makes me feel that that's actually normal. Like जो अभी हो रहा है because of pollution and all, this should be continued. I'm not saying the virus should, but the measures which people are taking now, this level of hygiene should always exist. And I'm liking the part that people are adapting to it, they're doing it. And कुछ मामलों में also I feel bad कि set में जो वो freedom भी एक होती थी ना, like कुछ भी कर सकते, कहीं भी बैठ सकते थे, उसका थोड़ा सा I'm feeling a little low कि अच्छा अभी तो can't share food with my co-actor या my hairstylist or somebody, ऐसे इतने भी like we can't be so open, we have to be little yeah.
I hope things get back to normal and I hope we get a vaccine soon. Thank you so much, Sidha, for your time and all the best for Ashram and for your upcoming projects. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Amina. Thanks for your time. Bye.